Transportide is a leading manufacturer of hydraulic rubber hose. We located in Shandong Province and proud to supply you best quality products. To reach this goal, we upgraded our plying machine, braiding machine and all related procedure. The new plying machine has improved the evenness of steel wire tension force. This increases the flexibility and pressure rating of hydraulic hoses. High-speed braiding machines are also added for better efficiency and smoother distribution. After hose completed with cover, reinforcement and inner tube, bigger rollers were used to store the hose for wrap/unwrap procedure. With larger diameter, hose can remain its structure intact during vulcanization. High-speed wrapping is also allowing hose to have perfect cover appearance. In the last, perfect hose is ready for qualifying test and shipment. In addition to the braiding hose, spiraling hoses are also produced with new equipment. The heavy-duty spiraling machine can make 4-wire spiraling hose in one run and keep the steel wire free from repacking in multiple runs. Steel wires used in spiraling production are also carefully pre-bending by the wire bending machine to ensure correcting shape and, in the end, make a nice spiraling high-pressure hose. Now to approve for the best quality, hoses were tested by our in-house impulse testing machine. With 100,000 cycles, our product proved themselves durable and reliable.